Tanzania is on a mission to boost tourism. A major road upgrade is underway, and it's set to transform access to the stunning Mahale National Park. This initiative is more than just fixing a road, it's about unlocking the park's potential and enriching the lives of those who live nearby. This project focuses on a 38-kilometer stretch of road, connecting Rukoma Village to the heart of Mahale National Park in the Uvinza district of the Kigoma region. The primary goal? To make it easier than ever for both domestic and international tourists to experience the park's wonders. According to Kigoma Regional Commissioner Simon Sio, the current road conditions have been a significant hurdle for tourism. Travelers currently endure a grueling 5 to 6 hour journey from Kigoma town to reach the park. Improving infrastructure is a key step in promoting tourism and local development, Commissioner Sio emphasized. He's directed the Uvinza District Council to take immediate action to rehabilitate the road, benefiting both visitors and the local communities. This project is just one piece of Tanzania's broader strategy to enhance its tourism offerings, with other developments like the Wellsworth Luxury Hotel and Serengeti National Park also in the works. Project highlights. The goal, a government-led project to upgrade a 38-kilometer road, improving accessibility to Mahale National Park. The impact, enhanced accessibility, reduced travel time, and a boost in tourism, supporting local socio-economic development. The work, rehabilitation and surfacing of the road, ensuring year-round access, including during the rainy season. The team, implemented by the Tanzania National Roads Agency, TANROADS, in collaboration with the Uvinza District Council, the Tanzania National Parks Authority, TANAPA, and supported by the Kigoma Regional Commissioner's Office. The funding and timeline, fully funded by the Tanzanian government, with construction starting in 2024 and completion targeted for 2025. This project is expected to significantly improve access to Mahale National Park, home to over 700 eastern chimpanzees and more than 300 bird species. The road to transformation. Assistant Park Commissioner Khalid Mngofai, the Chief Park Warden of Mahale National Park, highlights the project's significance. He notes that the number of tourists has increased dramatically, from 210 in 2020/2021 to 923 in 2023/2024. The poor road conditions, especially during the rainy season, have forced tourists to rely on air transport. But here's where it gets controversial. Mngofai also mentioned other challenges, including encroachment into park areas, poaching, and attacks on people by dangerous animals when they enter the park illegally. Mahale National Park is a treasure trove of biodiversity, housing the world's largest protected population of eastern chimpanzees, approximately 7001000. The park is also a haven for birds, with at least 337 species, many of which are rare and endemic to the Albertine Rift, such as the Pell's fishing owl. Moreover, the park is home to 8, possibly 9, primate species in addition to chimps, including yellow baboons, blue monkeys, red colobus, pied colobus, and vervet monkeys, 2 or 3 species of galago. The completion of the road project will ensure that tourists can access and see the spectacles of the park with much ease. What do you think? Will this road project truly transform tourism in the region? Are there other challenges that need to be addressed to protect the park's unique ecosystem and support its local communities? Share your thoughts in the comments below.